Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This your boy Darrius Garrett, a.k.a. Herbanprince. Welcome to Herban Hustles. I'm glad that you guys were able to join me on my channel today. And today I want to show you guys an app called Field Agent. Field Agent is an app that allows you to do some secret shopping and make some money. So I'm sure that you'll love this. You'll be interested, and definitely make sure you take advantage of the referral link that's down in the description. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is Field Agent. Check it out. Hey everybody, what's going on? So what I want to review today is the app that's called Field Agent. So let's go ahead and click on Field Agent right now. And just to give you a little understanding of what Field Agent is, Field Agent is an app that is actually an app that is used for secret shopping. Now, if you don't know what a secret shopper is, I'm sure there's other YouTube videos to tell you what that is. I'll give you a short form and version of what a secret shopper is. A secret shopper is someone that is actually that's paid to go into a store and actually shop and do certain things that the app or the secret shopping agency would ask you to do. For instance, they may ask you to go in and buy a box of Apple Jacks. Once you get the box of Apple Jacks, they want you to, purchase it, interact with someone, just different things. So this app, Field Agent, is similar to that. And they have you do various things that we'll review. And so to look into the app, we have here what they call search. That's where it opens up. And if you look at the search, they have different searches, different types of secret shops that are available. For instance, they have the buy and try, where you would actually purchase something, try it out, and answer the questions. For this one here, they want you to actually buy and try Cutwater, buy and try this, of course. So Cutwater, I believe, is like a spirit or a wine. So they want you to try that. And what'll happen is a lot of times they'll reimburse you the cost. On top of the cost, there's a bounty. The bounty is what they pay you for simply doing the secret shop or doing the job. For this one, it would be $3. Okay. There's one I did the other night where it has, if you see here under Cutwater, it says pizza jobs. So let's click on pizza jobs. As you see, there's a Little Caesars pizza survey. If I click on this, it asks, searches for the nearest pizza places, the nearest Little Caesar pizzas around where you live. As you see for this one, this is looking in Merced, and it's showing me one. So let's click on one of them. And then you just go through it. Hi, agent. This is a time-sensitive survey. This job must be fully completed and submitted between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m., but you can reserve the job as early as 3:30 p.m. For this job, you will need to go to the location listed and purchase the following. So let's say I did this, right? I would go in, I would actually do the purchase, and the purchase is $13.99. So I actually have to have $13.99 of my own money. I would purchase it. But on top of that, as you see at the top, the bounty is $7. So they would pay me the $7 on top of reimbursing me the $13.99 that I would pay. And on the left side of where you see the bounty, you see there's a time here. This is the time frame I have to complete this if I decide to accept it and do it. So that's 2 hours and 37 minutes. So then when you go down, it shows the reimbursement, the information. You just make sure you read the information, read it thoroughly, guys. Don't just say, oh, I know what I'm doing, and jump into it. It's very important to read. Reading is fundamental. Make sure you read it. And then once you decide you want to do it, you go ahead and press the accept button. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys something real quick. For you guys that are like me that don't like to read much, I have this app. Well, not app, but there's a part for those that have Apple products. You can actually go into your settings and use this that actually reads your screen for you.
Little
And so
Caesars Pizza Survey. Little
when you
Caesars
click on that,
2345.
you see how it reads the screen.
3250 G Street.
So if you don't feel like reading, or if you're driving or anything like that, you can actually utilize the little part of the if you have an Apple iPhone, maybe Androids have the similar thing, but it allows you to read your screen when you're not looking at it and hear what you need to do and kind of go through it that way. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much where you look up the jobs. And of course, they have audits. They have precision required jobs where they have different types of things you have to do, photos you have to take. They have general where you have to like purchase. Like this is a candy purchase audit. You can do that. I Spy, where if you go into different stores and you find certain things with a certain UPC, you could click on that, scan it, take photos. They have scavenger hunts, different things like that to help you make some money here and there. $3 here, $5 there. It all adds up. I mean, think about it. If you do five of these a day, it's $50 a day, just by doing five of these. So, oh, I'm sorry, my count is mad off. That's $25 a day. If you do 10 of them, it would be $50 a day. My apologies. So yeah, so that's that. And then let's go to earnings. So right here, I did one today. I did a look where it's a multi skew where I had to just take photos of some items while I was shopping at Walmart. So in the top, you see the current balance. So what I made in a lifetime, $397.40. Year to date is $11 because I just started back. So yeah, this is definitely where you see all of your earnings. And then let's go to the next step, which is the next side here, which is explore. Now, Explore is the help center, as well as they have different information that you can look up under the briefcase, as well as trainings to teach you how to take the photos, how to do these jobs more efficiently and effectively. As well as you see here where it says My Tickets, when you go to your your search, they also have tickets ticket jobs. And what ticket jobs are pretty much surveys just asking you what type of shopping do you do, what do you usually shop for, and so forth. And instead of getting money, you get tickets, right? So when you get these tickets, you complete these jobs, you get the tickets, and they're contributed here under my tickets. And then they do a drawing, and every time the drawing date, as you see here, is on 6:30, you have the potential of winning $200. So that's another thing that you can do. Now, under accounts, this actually gives your information. So you can actually go in and fill this information out. You get an agent score, as well as you can, your job accuracy. I'm at 90%. You could do about me. You can also invite people. So I'm definitely inviting you guys if you decide to do this. It's easy money. The referral, it says once your friend accept your invite, you will earn 10% of each approved job they complete, up to $10 per invited friend. So once you guys join, I would say definitely utilize my reference code, which is R as in Robert, 71, S as in Sam, V as in Victor, F as in Frank, W as in White. And so you would just go ahead and click invite friends. And when you invite your friends, give them your code. This will show you down here where it says rewards. It'll show you your friends that did actually do the jobs, and you'll get your contributions. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the whole app all in one whop. One last thing I would like to show you guys is, let's say, hypothetically speaking, you're just walking through the store and you don't feel like just going through each individual job like I do. I don't want to do all this. So I want to see where the jobs are that are at the store that I'm currently at. So in order to do that, just go ahead next to jobs. You see that there's a little recycle symbol, and next to the recycle symbol is a maps. It says map. You want to click on maps, and map will show you where all the jobs are compared to where you're located. And then they have anywhere jobs, and then they have jobs at Dollar Tree, jobs at Walmart, jobs at another Dollar Tree that's nearby, jobs at Target. And so all you have to do while you're at Target, let's say you're at this Target at 3280 R Street, just click the drop down and boom, here are all the ones you can do at that target. So just say you go ahead and knock these out, right? Take about maybe an hour or something like that, maybe even less. And let's see all the jobs here. Let's see, there's 8, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So you can make $35 within an hour of doing these jobs at, Target. Some may take a little longer, some may take a little less. It all depends on how fast and effectively and efficiently you work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Then of course they have the filters here where you can filter anywhere from 30 miles to 50 miles. I think the highest is, let's see, 90 miles away. You can go from your location. You can go from a custom zip code. You could say hide all alcoholic jobs. Maybe if you're recovering from drinking, you may not want to do that, alcohol jobs because you don't want to be in that area. You just go ahead and check that toggle that default switch, and it'll hide all alcohol jobs. Okay. Let's say you want to hide the I spy jobs. Boom. You did that. Hide real estate audits. Boom. You did that. Hide scavengers. Boom. You did that. And so, from that point, you would have hidden all the things that you don't want to see. So that's what that's for. Those are the filters, and the filters are in the upper right hand corner, located under, if you have an iPhone, located under where you see the battery percentage or the battery icon for your phone. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I really appreciate you guys. I hope you each one teach one. Again, make sure you go in, and if you take advantage of this app, feel free to use my reference code, which is located here, R71SVFW. I love being able to share this knowledge with you guys. I hope it brings some change to your pocket to definitely be able to make some money and continue to thrive and do what you can to take care of your families. I love you guys, and thank you so much for being part of my stream here and on Herban Hustles. And you guys have a great day. God bless you all. Good night.